What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil Mcleod, and I'm a full-time eBay and Poshmark seller. And in today's video, I'm gonna go over I'm not gonna say a quick thrift store haul. This might be the longest one, and it possibly could have been longer because in the past couple of days I spent over $300. Well, maybe it's about $400 now. But I spent a lot of money, so I picked up a lot of good stuff, and it was just in time because fourth quarter is approaching and a lot of people are going to be buying a lot more clothes, a lot more shoes, and just shopping a whole lot more because, you know, the holiday season, and then buying gifts for friends and family. So this haul is going to be split up. I'm going to do the first portion is going to be clothes and accessories because I have some bags, and the next video, part 2 of this same haul, is gonna be just the shoes. And the shoes, I got at least 25 pairs of sneakers. So if you want to check out some of the dopest pieces that I found in the past, I'm gonna say 6 months, keep watching this video. Now let's go. Now the first thing I grabbed was this Aris surfboard cable modem. Now in my last video I was telling you all that I sell men's and women's clothing primarily, but I started selling electronics, I started selling just a whole bunch of different odds and ends, just to, you know, increase my earning potential. And that has doubled, almost tripled my income since I started doing that maybe 10 months ago. So if you want to become a full-time seller, you could start off by doing clothes and shoes and stuff like that because that usually sells well if you have good items. But if you also want to incorporate some more pieces, definitely start with electronics. And this one was in the box still. It's model SB6190. The comps on eBay right now is anywhere between 50 and 60 bucks. All the parts are included. I tested it out, it works perfectly. So I only paid about $5 for this one, so I should definitely be making some good money on this. The next piece is this Castelli biking shirt. Believe it or not, I do bike ride as well, and I do about anywhere between 5 and 6 miles, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But so I'm not keeping this shirt for myself, but Castelli also does very well. Here's a shot of the logo, and yeah, I should get about 20 to 25 bucks for this shirt. Only spent about $2.50, so that's a good flip right there. Next is this shirt from Untuckit. Untuckit is a great brand. It's definitely on fire right now. It's one of those things that usually sell anywhere between, I want to say 35, sometimes 45 bucks. I mean, if it's brand new, it could sell for even more. So definitely be on the lookout for Untuckit. This one was in amazing condition. I probably wasn't even worn. It's a size medium, just a simple pink and white striped shirt. Definitely my style, it's my size, but I mean, I'm definitely not going to keep it. So this should also be a very good flip. I should be getting anywhere between, I want to say 35 to 45 bucks. Here I have this Moeller Summer Comfort polo shirt. And what you want to make sure is, I'm going to show you the tag. Moeller, they have other polos out there that's just simple Moeller, but you got to make sure that you're grabbing up the Summer Comfort shirts. And this shirt has a little logo on the chest, and it's probably from a local golf club because I'm in Santa Barbara, so there's tons of different golf courses out here, and everybody usually has their own crest or their own logo just to personalize it. But even though they may have its own logo and it might seem personal, still grab them up because they sell for good money. You can get it sometimes as high as 80 bucks for the shirt depending on what the logo is. Especially if you see any golf shirts that have the Masters polo on the Masters crest on the shirt, definitely grab that. And I'm going to make sure I show you a picture just so you know what to look for. And also make sure that it's a good size. I got this one in a size medium, so this one might not sell as well, but the larger the shirt, the better it will sell for you. Now, I hardly ever pick up this brand. This is from Oakley. Hardly ever grab this. So you could see it has the nice little Oakley logo on the chest, and it says Oakley. Nice little spell out on the back. I never buy these shirts, but this shirt, in my humble opinion, was kind of dope, and I figured if I liked it, somebody else might like it. And I checked the comps. The comps sometimes are 15, 25 bucks. So I'm going to shoot for 25 and see what happens. I was going to split it up, but I basically got 2 of the same shirts, just a different colorway. They're both Nike Golf Performance Tour t-shirts. This one has the neon yellow sleeves, and this one has neon pink sleeves. Very simple. I mean, I think if somebody was wearing this on the golf course, they're definitely one of the flyer people on the golf course. You know, they got some style, some swag. So these was size medium, both of them. Great condition, probably never worn. So Nike Golf Tour shirts. The comps are sometimes kind of questionable. So I've seen some sell for as high as $50 used, and I've seen some sell as low as $15 brand new. But I'm gonna shoot somewhere in the middle, $20-25. I spent about $4 a shirt, so that should also be a very good flip. Here I got a pair of Kuhl pants. These are some convertible hiking pants. As you can see, the zip here, you can turn these into cargo shorts. So let me just do that real quick. So yeah, see, you could open that up, turn the cargo shorts. Kuhl also sells very well. Let me show you what the tag looks like so you know what to look out for. These are the Kuhl, I believe, Kuhl Liberators, and that's the logo in the back. These always sell good for me. The bigger sizes I usually fetch about $60. This is not as large, but I'm gonna still shoot for about $40 to $45 and see what happens. Next, one of my favorite brands to sell here is Mizzen in Maine. This is an extra large trim fit, so it's kind of like a specialized size, but it's super clean. I'm pretty sure it's never been worn either. It's a nice gingham print. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, this is definitely a very good shirt. Somebody should be happy to grab this one up, and I'm gonna price it around $45. And the comps are a little over the place too, but definitely I should get about at least $40 for this. Now, I don't usually buy kids clothes, but when it's Burberry, I gotta grab it up. As you can see, this one, the tag says Burberry London. It's a size small, and it has a very subtle Nova check on the sleeve. Let me see how I can show you guys that, but very subtle, very smooth. I like it a lot. It feels like a terry cloth fabric, so I mean, somebody's kid is gonna be out here flea. And yeah, man, you should definitely look out for any kids clothes that you can find, because usually kids clothing are a lot cheaper. In my Goodwill, good kids clothes, I think I paid $2 for this hoodie, and they clearly didn't realize that it was Burberry, or else they would have probably charged a little bit more. But look out for kids clothes too, because of course kids, they grow out of clothes so fast that of course, you know, parents always buy more clothes and they try to get it for a deal. So if you can, look out for some kids clothes. Keeping things going with the kids clothes, here is a Patagonia hoodie. This one is dope. I like this one a lot. I think I paid $3 for this one. Only problem with this one had a little subtle stain on the bottom, little blue mark. Just a little blue mark though. I tried washing it and it still didn't come out, so I'm guessing it might be some ink. But I usually never grab stuff that have stains, holes, or tears. I stay away from that. But I figured since it's such a small little stain, and it is kids clothing, I mean, kids, they dirty up their clothes all the time anyway, so I'll just price it low. I'll probably charge 20, maybe $25 for it and see what happens. And if somebody sends me a good offer, you know, I'll take it. But like I said, I only spent about $3 for it, so it should be a good flip. Next, I got a pair of Lululemon pants. These are, I believe these are the ABC pants. I'm not exactly sure. I gotta run some more info on it, but you can see the little Lululemon logo on the back leg right there. And these say limited edition. There's actually no size tag on these, and I was a little bummed about that, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna just make sure I put the measurements and price it better so that somebody can see it and, you know, take the chance on it. And if it doesn't fit, I accept returns if things don't fit, so they'll just send it back, and it wouldn't be a problem. But I'm gonna still make sure I charge at least $45 because these are very quality pants, very expensive. But I mean, hey, I'm gonna definitely shoot for at least $45 to $50 and see what happens. Here's a pair of pants from J. Crew. These were brand new with the tags, and I believe these are for women because they are a size 2, and some dope little patches on there as well. Thought these were very dope. Since it is brand new with the tags, I'm gonna probably shoot for about maybe $30 to $40. I mean, I'm not exactly sure. I still gotta run the comps, but I'll probably do about $35 to $45 on these. These are definitely very dope. I think it's just in time for the fall as well, so they shouldn't sit for too long. Moving right along, here's an H&M blazer. Personally, I don't wear H&M. I don't wear anything H&M, but I mean, it's still a decent blazer for somebody that likes H&M clothing. It's a pretty common size. It's a size 40 regular, so I'm pretty sure guys out there that need a, you know, little clothes for their job, or maybe guys that just wear blazers on a regular basis like myself. Somebody will grab this up, and I'm only going to charge about maybe $35 and see how that goes. Moving right along, here is this ski suit from Tyrolia. Now, ski suits are something to grab up ASAP because the seasons are changing. It's about to get cold. It's about to start snowing in certain places. Not in Santa Barbara, but everywhere else. And it's gonna start getting cold and snowing and shit. But when you see something that's reversible like this print is bananas. Somebody's gonna lose their mind for this. I mean, one side is purple, solid purple, and then the other side has this crazy like 80s, almost like a Keith Haring type of print going on to it. And this one is, like I said, it's from Tyrolia. The only reason why I knew it was Tyrolia because I looked at the zippers, and the zipper said the logo. And let me make sure I can show you guys where to check for, because when you're looking at these, you might not see a size tag or anything, but what you want to do is open up the pockets, and in the pocket they will tell you where the size is and the information, and whether it's women's or men's, and you can get all your information just from there. I'm gonna charge at least $120 for this. I might shoot up a little higher because I've seen the comps go for I've seen some sell for $150. So I'm gonna shoot somewhere around that range, $120 to $150. And I might sit for maybe a couple months, but I know by January, February, this will be gone, and I should make some good money from this one. Moving right along, got some cycling pants here. These are from Campagnola.
Few moments later.
Campagnola, some shit like that, I don't know. But it's super dope. It actually matches the shirt that I showed you guys earlier. But I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna like make a set or anything. That's what the logo looks like. This is a size large. So yeah, I don't always pick up cycling shorts, but because especially since the season is changing. But like I said, it's not going to snow or anything in California, and cycling is usually year round. So this might actually end up selling somewhere on the West Coast for at least 25 to 30 bucks. Here's the first bag I picked up. This one is a vintage Polo Sport Ralph Lauren side bag. I was going to call it a purse, but I mean, I know some guys are wearing this stuff now, especially in Europe, so I can't really call it a purse. I guess a man purse, I don't know. But it came with the wallet inside too, which was super dope. The wallet is in better condition than the bag, but I'm probably just gonna sell them both together, and then probably shoot anywhere between 30, 35, maybe 40 bucks, because it isn't in the best condition. But as you can tell, I only paid $4 for it. So, but the goal is to buy low, sell high, and sell fast. So I'm probably let this go for anywhere between 35, 40 bucks for both pieces. Now, I don't always buy purses, but when I see something unique as this, I just gotta grab it. Like, I don't know what you put in this, because if you had anything, you know, important, it would probably fall out. But I feel like a purse like this, the leather is, the quality is there. It's definitely genuine leather. There's no branding on it, but I paid $7 for it. You can still see the Goodwill tag on there. And I'm probably shoot for 50 bucks. You know, I'm gonna have it on sale there for a little bit, and we'll see how long it takes to sell. But something like this might end up selling super fast because it's so unique. So anytime you see something that looks super, super unique and the quality of leather is there, I mean, take a chance on it as long as it's not too expensive. Next, I got this sweater from Beams, and this is Beams from Japan. And this is a super thick, super dope. I love this color. Like, this is my style all day long. But it's just a little too big for me. It's a size extra large. But since it's a Japanese brand, no, it's actually a size double XL. Show you guys a little close up there. Beams from Japan, definitely a higher end brand. This one needs a little bit of cleaning, and it has some pilling on there. So I'm going to try to fix it up a little bit so I could ask for at least $70 to $80 for this sweater. And make sure you keep an eye out for Beams from Japan, because this is a super dope brand, and their denim also sells well. Here I have this, it's called Strike, and it's from Spider, and this is a women's ski jacket. Let me fix it up for you guys so you can get a better look at it. It wasn't in the greatest of condition. I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit, but it's still a super dope jacket. It's definitely for women, so I'm sure somebody's gonna want this in the next coming months. Super dope. Like I said, there's no holes and no tears. It's just a little bit of stains on there. So I'm just gonna try to clean those out, and I'm pretty sure they'll come out. And I'm gonna ask about 50 bucks for this one. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell for full asking, so we'll see how it goes. And of course, like I keep saying, I'm definitely preparing for the fourth quarter and the fall and winter time. So I'm looking at jackets, and I'm finding some good jackets right now, guys. This one is from Vocal. Vocal, they have ski wear, and they're also a tennis company as well, but they sell a lot of like winter sports and things like that. So on this jacket, I found this one. I paid about $8 for this. It has some dope little stars on the side. It's a size XL, and that's a 54 in Europe. So this should definitely sell well for me. Like I said, Vocal, 1923. Nice little logo on the side there as well. So yeah, look out for this brand. I've never seen this brand before, but it definitely sells well on eBay. So if you come across any ski jackets with the Vocal brand, here goes another shot of the logo. Be on the lookout for those. And finally, the find of the thrift haul. I'm gonna call this one the find of the day. Now, this piece right here, I definitely thought about keeping it for myself, but I gotta let it go because it sells for good money. This is a Coach leather backpack, and it's fire. Like, what else can I say? It's in great condition, no holes, no like tears, no scratches, anything like that. The little Coach tag is right there. Got the gold little accents to it as well. The straps on the back. I mean, it's amazing, and the fact that I only paid $7 from the Goodwill is amazing. I mean, these bags sell anywhere from 150 to 200 bucks. So I'm gonna definitely get something around there. I mean, I might put it up for 150 myself and just see if somebody really likes it and ends up grabbing it. But this bag, super dope. I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna say I'm thinking about it because I know I want that money. But at the same time, it's a super dope bag. So this was clearly the find of the day. That's all I got for you all today. Make sure you stay tuned for the next part of this haul. I'm gonna be posting about 20 to I think it's 25 pairs of shoes that I got. It's mostly sneakers and boots, and I even sold like 2 or 3 of them the first day I got them because I was just so excited, and I started posting pictures as soon as I got them. So the haul depleted just a little bit, but like I said, it's over 20 pairs of shoes, and I didn't want to just put it all in one video for you guys. So I'm gonna split it up. Make sure you comment below if you like this video. If you like any of those brands, make sure you smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because I put out a lot of content here for eBay and Poshmark sellers. And like I said, if you got any questions, drop it in the comment box. I'll make sure I get back to everybody. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.